Bro, this Christmas is not Christmasing like it used to.
What happened?
There is no Christmas tree. I mean, I cannot see it anywhere.
Come, let me show you a Christmas tree.
Okay.
So let's create a tree. To create a tree and using CSS and HTML, you need to know two properties. One is clip path and another is animation. So let's start by creating the tree first. We'll be having a simple div with some width and height, and the next property that we are adding is clip path, which basically lets you trace the path. So using a lot of points or coordinates, you're going to just trace out the tree. Once the coordinates are in place, you just apply this property clip path and your tree is in place, and it looks like this. Once that is done, the same property we are going to use to create a star. So again, clip out the path and then your star looks like this. So once you create the star and the tree, the next method that you have to do is use CSS positioning to align it basically wherever you want on the tree. The star should be aligned. And it's Christmas, so we'll add some glow to our star. So what we are going to do is just use keyframes and animations and make the star glow. So here we'll just be using our keyframes, and what we've done here is we are changing the background color with respect to time. So using that, the glow is added and the final result looks something like this. Comment below if you like the video. Merry Christmas everyone. Thanks.